OnePlus 6 versus Galaxy S9 Plus speed test. This was actually your second most requested video when I did the community poll on the OnePlus 6 was the S9 Plus. So let's go ahead and begin with a boot up test in 3, 2, 1 and see which one can get there first. Now both of these are the Snapdragon 845 series devices. I have the 8GB of RAM version of the OnePlus 6, so that's a little bit more than the 6GB of RAM version of the S9 Plus. Now I think 6GB of RAM is basically where it's enough for an Android phone, but you know, the 8GB of RAM on the OnePlus 6 is more, so let's see if it does whoop Samsung on the RAM management, but it does win there for the boot up test. So 1-0 to the Galaxy S9 Plus for the OnePlus 6. Okay guys, so we're here at the lock screen. I just want to see which one does respond to that power button a little bit faster. 3, 2, 1, and you can see that's the OnePlus 6. 1, 2, 3. And the OnePlus 6 a little bit faster. Now what about the fingerprint unlocked? You can see they're both basically in the same location for both devices. 3, 2, and 1. And that's the OnePlus 6. One more time. 3, 2, 1. And that's the OnePlus 6. So the OnePlus 6, just a super fast fingerprint scanner. It seems to be just a little bit faster than the S9 Plus basically every time. You could see right there. I just keep doing it. S9 Plus just a little bit slower there on that fingerprint, but by no means is it a slow fingerprint. It's still faster than what I've seen on the iPhone's fingerprint, but it's not as fast as the OnePlus 6's fingerprint scanner. Okay, so let's test that facial unlock time to see which one is a little bit quicker. Beginning with the OnePlus 6, you can see that it basically instantly responds. It's a little bit hard to show here on camera, but it's basically instant here for the OnePlus 6. Then we're going to go on to the S9 Plus now. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at the facial unlock time now for the S9 Plus. As you can see, 3, 2, 1, and you can see it's not bad. 3, 2, 1, and there you go. So it's a little bit slower, and I find that the OnePlus 6 is just a little bit more responsive in different lighting conditions. The S9 Plus seems to choke up a little bit more when you're not in a bright light situation as I am in now. So just quickly confirming the software: Oxygen OS 5.1.5, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and 8.1.0 Oreo. Confirming the software here, we do have the 8.0 Android version, and we do have Samsung Experience version 9.0 for the Galaxy S9 Plus. This is the SD845 version, 6 gigs of RAM. Alright guys, so we have arrived at the application portion of the speed test. We're going to close all apps out so you can see everything is now closed, not just turned off for the OnePlus 6. Let's go ahead and test the speed between these two to see in the applications in the real world which one is quicker, or if there's any speed difference at all. Let's go into calendar. That's the S9 Plus. Clock, that's about the same. Calculator, OnePlus 6 slightly. Settings, OnePlus 6 for sure. Instagram opens first for the OnePlus 6 slightly. Going into the picture profile, slightly to the OnePlus 6. In the likes, about the same. Scrolling, very similar if not identical on a day-to-day. Twitter, you can see Twitter is open first. It looked about even actually. I didn't see that one. I might have been slightly off though. Let's go into the Snapchat, and these are so close I'm gonna have to have you guys tell me some of the ones that were right or wrong here, but that one is the OnePlus 6. Let's go into WhatsApp, and you can see it looked like the OnePlus 6 again. YouTube, and you can see YouTube is first on the left. Let's go into Netflix. Netflix is first again on the left. Nice stuff for the OnePlus 6, and it's going to save you $200-300. Let's go into Amazon, but you don't get the better camera, you don't get the better, you know, wireless charging as you get on the S9 Plus, but the OnePlus 6 won there again on Amazon, but you do get great performance. eBay is first on the right, having a little bit of load issues here for the OnePlus 6, and looks like the OnePlus 6 now loads. So the Galaxy S9 Plus takes eBay. Let's go into Jetpack Joyride. Here goes the gaming, and you could see OnePlus 6 ahead, and then the Galaxy S9 Plus. Let's go into Dead Trigger 2. 3, 2, 1, and you could see Dead Trigger 2 loads first on the left, then the Galaxy S9 Plus. Let's hit play. See which one can actually get into those graphics first. This is so close. It's like you're literally basically buying the same phone when it comes to performance, but that was the OnePlus 6 again. And actual gameplay graphics are about the same on both. Let's go into the PUBG Mobile. Now this game requires a little bit more load time and a little bit more power to run it. You know, you're playing against other live players on here, and looks like they're both going to take a second, so let's be patient. It looks like the Galaxy S9 Plus has a slight jump over the OnePlus 6, and now it looks like the OnePlus 6 is downloading a little bit faster. Galaxy S9 Plus catching up, but the OnePlus 6 ahead so far. Okay, OnePlus, I see what you're working with the games. Doing very good here. And you're ready to get into this match first for the OnePlus 6. Now, I'm not going to actually play this match live on video. Should we play the match live on video? Should we do that? We're not going to do it today. But it looks like the Galaxy S9 Plus is just stalling behind here. And now we're about to get in. And now it's loading again. So way behind on this one. Now, this might be Wi-Fi dependent, I'm not sure, but that was pretty far behind for the Galaxy S9 Plus. Slither, they are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, however, so no issues there. Play against AI, about the same in these casual games. So I think really what's going to happen in the gaming is they're going to trade blows. In certain games, the S9 Plus is going to load it faster. Certain games, the OnePlus 6. Let's go into Video Shop. You can see OnePlus 6 loads that first. Let's go into Geekbench. And you could see OnePlus 6 slightly and speed test. And OnePlus 6 slightly again, I think it's mostly due to the animation. Although Samsung experience has gotten way better, I'm very impressed with the improvement in performance on the S9 Plus. The animation is just slightly slicker, slightly faster still for OnePlus. Let's go into Chrome. You could see Chrome open first on the left again. So overall in the speed test, you've seen basically equal performance with milliseconds of a difference in animation speed for the OnePlus 6. Okay, so here's the fun part, multitasking. Let's see if we get any reloads on the OnePlus 6. We haven't seen them in the past videos that I've been doing against the iPhones, so I don't expect it here at all again for the OnePlus 6. And you can see Jetpack. Now on the games, it's a little bit of a hang just because games require a lot of power, but loading all these apps, 8 gigs of RAM, no issues here for the OnePlus 6. Very fast indeed. So you're really going to love the performance here every day, all day on that OnePlus 6. How does that Galaxy S9 Plus do? 6 gigs of RAM. Will it reload anything? Let's go into Chrome. Nothing. Speed test, nothing. Geekbench, nothing. Video Shop, nothing. Slither, nothing. Let's go into PUBG Mobile. Nothing. Let's go into Dead Trigger. We're still rocking. Let's go into Jetpack. Little bit of a hang here on Jetpack. Ooh, not looking good. What's going on, Samsung? Oh, that was not good. I'm going to leave this on video. I'm going to leave this crash here on video to showcase to you. Okay, the Galaxy S9, you're seeing this live. I might have to cut this scene. It is glitching out. It's glitching out like crazy. Man, this is going to really make people think that I'm really trying to bash Samsung here, but what do you want me to do? Do you see this right here? Do you see this live on camera? I'm cutting. I'll be right back in a second. Okay, so we're back in. I had to lock the screen and turn it back on. Let's see what happened here with that application. Yes, it did reload, but it also spazzed out. Now, this could be a potential issue with the Jetpack Joyride game, but that was not a good look considering that the OnePlus has been loading that game back on multitasking on my past 3 videos. This has never really happened on any video before, so I'm not going to say that the Samsung Galaxy is bad because of this. That just was unfortunate that it happened on the speed test. eBay's still open, Amazon's still open, Netflix still open, YouTube, WhatsApp, Snapchat. Let's go to Twitter. Twitter's still open, Instagram. Then we have settings, calculator, clock, calendar. So you've seen the Galaxy held everything. Something just up with that app. What do you think that was? Do you think that the Samsung maybe got overworked? Do you think that that was an optimization issue with the game? Or do you just think it was just a random ironic thing and it just won't happen again? What do you think? Comment your thoughts down below on that spaz on the Jetpack Joyride. Okay guys, so we're in Video Shop. I did shoot a 45-second clip and we're going to go ahead and save this to the gallery in the high settings to see which one is quicker. And you see they're both flying because it's a smaller video app, but man, is this close. Who is really going to finish this one first? Just like in the speed test, almost identical. Whoa, that's the OnePlus 6 slightly, so very close, almost identical video rendering performance here. So this is again probably mostly due to a similar setup in the processor and RAM. Alright guys, so final scores are in. Single cores are pretty identical, a 2429 on the OnePlus, 2398 on S9 Plus, multi-core 8868 on the OnePlus 6, 7729 on the multi for the S9 Plus. You know, we know about what OnePlus did in the past with the Geekbench scores, so I'm not sure if everybody trusts these scores here, but if you're going to take these for what they are, the OnePlus 6 is the winner for the Geekbench. Okay, so we're done here. OnePlus 6 versus Galaxy S9 Plus. which one to go with. I will do a full comparison on these, but based on the performance, which this video is about, speed test, if you just want raw performance, the OnePlus 6 offers more RAM, same processor for less money. It's the better performance package. You've seen in most of the applications, the animations were faster. It feels like a faster phone than the Galaxy S9 Plus, but the Galaxy S9 Plus is absolutely no slouch. It's the fastest Samsung ever, and it's much better optimized than the prior Samsung devices before it, and it's almost identical in performance to a OnePlus. It's only milliseconds difference. That glitch that happened with the game, I don't know what that was, but I wouldn't take it too to heart, because every phone once in a while glitches out, and I don't care which device you have, technology is not perfect. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Comment them down below in the comment section of this video.